Hey, what is up? Today, I thought I would go outside and light some, fuse. So I got my fuse here. This is pink Chinese Visco fuse. It's 11 seconds per foot, so we're just gonna light a tiny circle of it. 1 second, let me switch. Okay, sorry, I really suck at lighting lighters when I don't have because this is one of those safety, for kids not to be able to use stuff like that, and I'm using it, so yeah. So I got another piece there. I'm grabbing my little lighter. I'm gonna put it on again. That was really cool. I don't think I caught that all, but that's still really cool. Okay, so this is probably gonna be 2 to 3 minute video, and all I'm gonna do is light fuse, but I will have lots of vlogs going up. I don't really have any firecrackers or anything like that right now, but got a bunch of fuse, so yeah, this is my last piece, and it is pink. Oh, the green fuse I was lighting was 16 seconds per foot. So yeah, but I'll just be doing like lots of vlogs. Okay, so I'll see you guys later, and bye. How the frick do you end